How to fix Instagram could not refresh the feed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to fix the issue of Instagram not refreshing, simply launch the Play Store application. Make sure you have an updated version of Instagram. So search for the Instagram application over here on the search bar, and as you can see over here, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Instagram application itself. As you do that, tap on the app info and it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So just tap on it and then clear the cache, then tap on OK. As you do that, you can now relaunch the Instagram application, and if that does not fix the issue, you can clear the storage that you have on your device, because a lot of times when the storage is full or you do not have space on your device, that issue also arrives. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.